Hey my bucket list buddies, thanks for joining another episode of my bucket list day. So this is going to be a really short episode because I'm still here in Texas and we've had nothing but rain for the last several days, pretty much all the time. Every time I think it's going to stop, I go outside to do something and it starts raining up again. So I thought in this episode it would be a great opportunity to give you guys all an update on the Patriot Games. And that is the sponsors and the prize packages and some of the stuff that you're going to get. Stay tuned and we'll take a look at that right after this. Okay, now I'd like to give you an update on what's happening with the Patriot Game prizes. So far we have got several great sponsors that are helping us out. We have SnapPad. SnapPad it's an awesome product. It goes on the landing gear or your leveling gear of your RV, coach, whatever you've got. And on gravel, dirt, mud, even concrete. These things are incredible to have. They drain the water out so they don't catch water. People ask that question a lot, but they drain the water out so they don't rust your pads or anything like that. But they really help stabilize your rig and also protect your gear. I will say they also give you a larger landing area, so it makes the rig a little more stable. At least I've discovered that on my unit. So now you all may have different rigs, different sizes. So what they have done is they decided that they're going to give you a 100% off coupon for whatever set you need for your rig. So you can select the size, the shape, whatever you need that fits your rig, and they're going to give you 100% off. So they're doing a little coupon thing. So we're really grateful for SnapPad. In addition to that, you have Solo Stove. So Solo Stove is going to be providing the Bonfire Solo Stove fire pit. And if you haven't seen these things, I'm going to be doing a review on it a little later. But they're virtually smokeless. Once you get them going, and then you just keep feeding the fire in there, they're virtually smokeless. Great thing to sit around and have great conversations, roast your marshmallows, and all that sort of thing. But you don't go in your RV smelling like a campfire, which we all love that smell, but we don't want it in our clothes, our closets, our entire rig, or anything like that. So it's fantastic. And in addition, we also have Pro Aqua, the water softener system I've shown you. They're providing a complete system with the regeneration kit for your rig. And if you go to my site, you'll see that I've got a diagram on how to hook those up and everything, but they're pretty easy. But I can't tell you how awesome it is to have soft water on your rig. The water that you get at some of these RV parks are really poor quality, so that helps a lot on cleaning that up and softening that water up for if you're doing showers, dishes, even your laundry if you do laundry on board. So that's fantastic. Also we have Camco, all the various little pieces and parts and hoses and connectors and things like that. They're being gracious of putting a package together for us. I'll have more on that as I continue talking with them about what the package might look like. And then we have Tire Minder. Tire Minder has graciously decided to provide us a complete Tire Minder system. Now whether you have 4 wheels or 6 wheels or double axle, triple axle, or things like that, they're going to provide you a system that best fits your needs. So how that's going to be is all of these prizes, by the way, whoever is the winner or winners, they'll be shipped directly to you. So it's not like I'll be packaging all this stuff up. So I've worked with each of them, and once the winner is announced, I'll notify them with who you are, and they will drop ship everything directly to your address. So there are more to come, but that's it for now. That's a lot of great prizes. I think it added up to somewhere almost $2,000 in prizes, so it's fantastic. So a few lucky people are going to have some fantastic prizes once I announce the winners on July 4th. So that's it for the prizes for the Patriot Games. But now let's go ahead and look at the video clip on where you think this is. Good luck. So do you think you know where that's at? It's a pretty easy one, I think. But don't forget, you need to put your answer below in the link that it says contest. Don't put it in the comments. That doesn't count. It's not going to get entered. Your name can't be drawn from that, obviously. So click the link in the description below. Just click that little button that says show more and you can see all the links. And enter your guess there. There are a little over 3,000 entries so far, so I'm really happy to see everybody who's been playing. I've made a few of these kind of easy, but some of them are a little more challenging. So best of luck to all of you on that. We're getting closer and closer to the drawing on July 4th, so this is getting exciting. And as you have already seen earlier, the prizes packages are building bigger and bigger and bigger, so hopefully by then we'll have quite a few more prizes to add to it. So this has been a quick update on the Patriot Games. Hope you all enjoyed the information and are excited about the prizes that we're giving away on July 4th. I appreciate all of you engaging and playing the game. It's been a lot of fun so far. Now let's talk about the other important things, and that is to go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that little bell right there to let you know when I'm launching the next video. I know I say this almost every episode, but you know, I gotta have you do all the things so it helps you with the YouTube algorithms, and I think you've heard that from just about every YouTuber out there. But it is important. It does help us out quite a bit, and I appreciate that. So if you want to continue supporting the channel, that's all you gotta do. And for those of you that want to go the extra mile, click the link below to become a bucket list buddy, and you get inside information of what's going on. You get early access to a lot of the things that are happening, and soon, very soon, we're going to be talking about merch. So bucket list buddies will get heads up on that first, but then we'll have some merch available that a few of you have been asking, and so I've been looking into that, and that's coming soon. And one of the great things about being a bucket list buddy is you share with me what your bucket list is, and I may come join you on it. It might be something on my list, and we'll go do it together. Sounds fun? So go ahead, hit that link below, become a bucket list buddy, and do all the other things like, subscribe, and stuff. Really appreciate that. And before we go, one last thing. Don't forget to do something kind for a stranger, and make it a bucket list day. Bye.